Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing well and safe. So in today's video, it's going to be different. Today's video is not going to be about makeup. It's going to be about puppies. I'm going to be showing you guys some soft, adorable, and cute puppies. To give you guys a background, I have a husky. She's a female. Her name's Asia. And we also have an aspen called Cerberus. I have Asia, the female, and have Cerberus, the male. This is going to be a little bit different because the puppies are not 100% huskies. They are a mix of a husky and aspen, and if you guys don't know what aspen is, it means ASONG PINOY. I asked my brothers and my dad what I should call Cerberus because I don't want to call him Askal because he's really not Askal, and Askal means Asong Kalye, so he doesn't really have a breed. His mom's generation came from the street dogs in our street. So the mom of the Cerberus came from, I'm not really sure where, but she's the Askal, the mom of Cerberus. But Cerberus grew up with us since he was born, so I don't know. Is it Askal? Is it Aspen? Let me know. Yeah, today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 5 puppies, and it was supposed to be 6, but one died. He didn't make it. We were so sad and heartbroken, but we still have 5. 4 are black puppies, and the one looks just like her mom, and she's super cute. So if you guys want to know how the puppies will look like if it's a mix of Siberian Husky and Aspen, then just keep on watching. So this is the first puppy. We don't have names for them yet, but this is, I think, the most stubborn one. They actually just started barking like 2 days ago, and he's the loudest barker. By the way, they are almost 2 weeks old, and yeah, super cute. She has this like bare face, as you can see. They are super cute. This is the first one. We don't have names for them yet. If you guys are wondering how the puppies will look like if you mix Husky and Aspen, here. This is the face. Super cute. And I was thinking some of them will have blue eyes since their mom has blue eyes. I forgot what it's called, like for the male and female dog, dam and sire. I'm not sure if dam or sire for female, or dam is the male, or sire is the male. I'm not really sure. So I'm just gonna call them father and the mother of the dogs. So yeah, this is the first one. I think this is a female. And yeah, he has 2 spots right there, and he has white on the feet. Their fur are very thick, so yeah, they probably got it from their mom. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm not really sure if I showed you guys this one already because all the blacks look almost the same. So I'm not 100% sure if I have shown you guys this one, but they have their mom's fur all over them. So yeah, this is the other one. He also has, is this a male or female? Yeah, it's a male. Yeah, this is the face. We're definitely getting bigger and bigger, so I love their face. They look so fluffy, super cute. I love their ears too. I'm not sure if it's gonna go down or up, but They definitely feel so fat. Now guys, this is the one who really looks like a Siberian Husky. So this one is a male, right? This is her face. I am obsessed with puppies. Her color really looks like her mom. Definitely looks like Husky. As you can see there, like she really got her mom's color. So why you're just looking at me with this super cute innocent face? She's just staring at me. I love the pattern. He really looks like a husky. He even has this white on his tail. Super cute, and you are so fat. He got his mom's ears, but it looks like it's up. I love those tiny little ears. Those are like, that's like dirt stick on his face. I think it's like their poop. Oh, he's so beautiful. He's actually my favorite. Of course, he looks like husky. He looks like 100% husky. I thought he was gonna be like blue eyes or something, but his eyes look like it's black. Here's his face. Yeah, so if you guys are wondering how it will look like if you mix Husky and Aspen, doesn't he look like a little puppy Husky? I actually specifically love the pattern that he has on his back because his mom really has this black pattern on her back. So yeah. I'm actually super legal right now. I'm super legal right now. I steal them for only a minute, guys. Like, I'm not really bringing them with me. Not really keeping them with me for a long time. I steal them for only a minute or two because, yeah, they're gonna miss their mom for sure. So yeah, I'm gonna give this back and show you guys the other puppies. His color is completely like his mom's fur. For sure. There's white, there's like grayish brown there, and then black. And when you open, and this is the same with her mom, like when you open his fur, you will see like white and gray there. So this one really looks like a husky for sure. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? And I specifically love looking at the back of the head of puppies, because the back angle of puppy's head, because it's just super cute and adorable. Look at that. They all look almost the same. They just have like black nose, white nose. So the black puppies definitely got so the black puppies definitely got their color from their dad. They have white on their feet. I'm not sure if this is from their father or is this from Asia. By the way, their father's name is Cerberus and the mother's name is Asia, so I'm just gonna call them by their name. So yeah, this is the face. Do you guys see any husky in his face? They are getting bigger and bigger super fast. So yeah. Are you yawning or are you crying? Okay. I'm gonna give her back now. And one of them peed on my hand, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other puppy and then I'll be right back. Guys, I am sweating bullets right now. I'm here at the back of our house and it's scorching hot. As you can see, it's not really sunny or anything, but I just really sweat a lot easily. His head is a little wet, so I'm just gonna wipe this off. Some of the puppies love it when I carry them because they're just like falling asleep. But some of them just like to be on the floor. I totally understand. I'm not gonna be keeping you that long anymore, but I'm gonna just quickly show them your face. Here, side. Oh my gosh, this one feels super fat. So if anyone's eating a lot, drinking too much milk from his mom, it's probably this one. It's super fat. I wish you guys can feel his belly. Oh my gosh. Ano? Huh? This one's a female. Let me see the eyes. This one, guys, I am 100% sure that this one's bi eyes because his other eye is like blue, like on this side. You guys see that? It's blue and the other side is black. Oh my gosh, are you modeling for me? He's like turning his head. I'm like, his other eye is blue and he's like this. He's really showing everyone his eye color. But her pala, it's a girl. So yeah, they have their mom's fur all over them. But yeah, this one is super cute. Definitely bi eyes. Like I see his eyes first time. The other one is blue talaga. See? That's blue, diba? For sure. And the other side is black. So this one's bi eye. You are so fat, huh? You're so aggressive, huh, when it comes to milk. Aww. Super duper cute. And he's so heavy, super fat. I just love her so much. Hello. Sleepy. I love how some of them fall asleep on my hand. Like I give them a little sway like this and they love it. Most of them fall asleep. So yeah. You're so cute. Okay, here. Last look of the face. He also has white feet. So that's really cute. They look bigger in the video than how they are in real life. But yeah. Here. Look at my sweat, you guys. I feel like I worked out so much today, but I haven't yet. Grabe. got this wet from just showing you guys the puppies one by one. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go inside and show you guys all of the puppies with their mom.